The King's Weaver, discoverable if anyone actually did more than touch my hand. I wouldn't dare. Lord Valtaire wouldn't be flirting with me if I was a woman. And if I was a woman, I probably wouldn't have men flirting at me at all. If I was beautiful, and I wasn't sure at all that my servants at home could be trusted to be truthful there, then that was always overshadowed by my unwillingness to do all the things that ladies of the court should, like never wear trousers or not teach themselves to be a weaver or swear. I put on my best tentative smile to Lord Valtaire. I'd play it as far as I could. "Caleb Aylin, is it?" he asks. He remembered. Gods, should I be flattered? I am, in an oddly warm way. The way he's looking at me, his dark, liquid eyes. I could almost hope, for a moment, that he didn't only prefer men. "Yes, my lord." He waves the formality aside. "Everyone calls me Valtaire, so welcome to court then. I can't imagine that was the welcome you were expecting." I feel my face heat and duck my head into the bowl of steaming porridge that was placed in front of me, along with a platter of sausages. I chance a look out of the corners of my eyes to see if the other mage candidates are watching this, and see one of them casting a jealous look my way, two more making moon eyes at Valtaire. I swallow and keep my eyes down, my face heating. "Take you, my Valtaire. Village mage, huh? So why the palace then? Ambition? Do you have a sweetheart here? A woman or a man? Are you trying to kill the king?" I choke on my porridge, spraying it back into my bowl. Gods, gods! But I look up, and he's turned away from me, leering in King Torrevin's direction. The king is, of course, scowling back. What is this? Did the king ask his friend to eat with me? Because Caleb Aylin, village mage, certainly doesn't warrant this kind of attention from someone so close to the king. Not when there are other men around me more eligible, who actually want his attentions. Valtaire leans in. "Listen. I commend you for your display at the demonstration. I don't think you meant to upstage anyone, didn't want to make waves. Is that right?" His tone is entirely condescending. Any glamour he'd held over me before is wearing thin. I glance up because it'll be expected, then quickly look away again and nod. Caleb, be careful, love. Lord Nikolai Metriel isn't one to let go of a grudge." He's lowered his voice, moving closer, his breath hot on my ear, and I don't feel the sexual tension now, so much as the warning. His hand on mine squeezes, but it's neither rough nor endearing. "I would know," he says. He lets go of my hand. Then he rises and, without looking back, makes his way toward the high table. I swallow. Was that a warning or a threat? Across the room, I see Nikolai sitting with another knot of courtiers, but he's not paying any attention to them. His eyes are on Lord Valtaire, then darting back to me. And this time, it's not rage I see there so much as calculation, which is far more terrifying.